Good morning to one and all. This video is going to be a cleaning routine of mine. Cleaning is like a sport. Once you start, there is always a eye at finishing line. There is no competition. What matters is that you finish that. It really takes a lot of motivation to accomplish it, and I really learn cleaning every day by watching others. So today I thought of I will see watching me cleaning feels motivate someone of you. I start with the living room because that's where we spend most of our time with our family members. So most of the cleaning is required only here itself. And compared to kitchen it is less only, but today I am starting it with my living room. Before you start going room to room, pause first to put on some great lively music that feels better. Every now and then, these sofas need a good waxing. Everyone hates to clean, but everyone loves a clean house. Cleaning is much more efficient if you pick one task: dusting, vacuuming, mopping. Do the same task in every room in the home rather than cleaning the kitchen, the bathrooms, and then the bedrooms. Doing it that way prevents you from feeling like you are in an endless cleaning cycle. Once in 15 days or once in a month, definitely I'll do a deep cleaning like this. And this really motivates you watching this video. So please watch full video. I have already made a video on kitchen countertop cleaning, guys. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Please go ahead and check it out. I really love to see my house very clean and organized. So now and then I keep cleaning like this. This is just a starting video of mine. This is the first vlog of mine, the cleaning routine vlog. So guys, please watch it and do support me. Dusting is a task where we can't leave it for a month or a weeks. We need to do at least alternative days. Then only we can maintain a very hygiene and clean home. I would love to do dusting because it will look clean once I'm done with my dusting. So here I'm done with my dusting. So let's move on to vacuuming. About this vacuum cleaner, I just purchased from Amazon, and this is really very helpful for me in this situation. Without house help, I'm really managing all the household chores means just because of this vacuum. I really feel very lightweight and without baggage. I really feel very comfort to clean my house. This vacuum really keeps my house very clean and hygiene. I really wanted such type of vacuum in my home. So if you want it, I'm gonna leave the product link also in the description box below. And guys, this is not the sponsor video, my own experience I'm just sharing with you. This vacuum cleaner unboxing video, installation video, and how to use also I have already made a video, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Please go ahead and check it out. Now the vacuuming is almost done. Next, let's move on to mopping. Mopping, it was a big task for me, but after purchasing this Scotch-Brite mopping twin bucket with a 360-degree rotatable, it's very comfortable, guys, to mop even under the couch.
Against the tide, I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel.
So my mopping is almost done, guys, and it was raining and it was good to see the climate outside.
Swimming against the tide, I wanna forget you.
We really feel so proud and good that our dirty dishes are washed by the machine. So that task is done by my dishwasher. So let's on it. This dishwasher and the vacuum really saves my time a lot. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.